Based on the facts that the electron pair is shared equally or unequally between atoms, covalent bond is classified into two types. That is polar covalent bond and non-polar covalent bond. A covalent bond is said to be a polar covalent bond if the electrons are unequally shared. If the electrons are unequally shared, then that bond is called polar covalent bond. For example, consider the hydrogen fluoride. Consider hydrogen fluoride. These hydrogen and fluoride atoms forms covalent bond by sharing of one pair of electrons. Here fluorine atom is more electronegative than hydrogen. It means fluorine atom pulls the shared pair of electrons towards itself. Fluorine atom pulls the shared pair of electrons more towards itself than the hydrogen atom, due to which electron cloud move towards the fluorine atom than the hydrogen atom. So as a result, partially negative charge appear on the fluorine atom and partially positive charge appear on the hydrogen atom. So now we can say that the bond between hydrogen and fluoride is polar. Why? Because this molecule has both positive pole and negative pole. While a covalent bond is said to be a non-polar covalent bond if the electrons are equally shared. For example, consider the chlorine molecule. We know that here we have two chlorine atoms, right? Among them, one chlorine atom forms covalent bond with other chlorine atom by sharing of one pair of electrons. Both the chlorine atoms pull the shared pair of electrons equally on the either side. So it is because atoms are the same on either side. That is, in this chlorine molecule, we have chlorine atoms on the both sides. So the electronic cloud remains in between these two chlorine atoms. As a result, no partially positive charge, no partially negative charge appear on either side of the chlorine atom. There is no partially positive or negative poles in this molecule. So therefore, the bond between these two chlorine atoms is non-polar covalent bond. So because this molecule does not have positive pole and negative pole.